up you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're seeing this channel for the very first time, do not forget to leave it without subscribing, without pressing the bell icon so that you can see every time I post fast because I post every alternate day and there's a lot of content for you guys to binge on. Also I create like sit down haul videos and also I create vlogs and all of that like I've recently started, so please do go and check it out. And today's video is definitely going to be all Diwali inspired because I wanted to do a home decor haul from a very long time, and then I thought that I should definitely do and add some stuff for the Diwali itself. And today's theme is definitely this purple sort of thingy that you see over here. In fact, a lot of stuff that I've purchased are already in my background right now. So let's just start with the RGB light itself. So this RGB light I got from Amazon for only 349 rupees. And actually before telling you about it, I have to unplug that so that I can show you the proper fittings and all of that ki isme kya kya hai. So let's just, it actually comes in this sort of a set right here. And this one that I've got is in 5 meters long. This is also said to be waterproof. I hope so, it is like that. And it comes along with these sort of items inside it. So the first thing is the adapter that you get. This white box that you see is the adapter, and then it comes with this sort of wire which goes inside the light, and then you have this plug that you see over here that you need to plug in the cable, and you have these two which come like separately, and then you have to put it inside. Also you have this remote control that you see over here which is pretty handy, like really lightweight as well. You have the red, green and blue, and you also have the combination shades of them at the bottom as well, and you can play any of them. It's very easy to connect. You have the flash, the strobe, the straight, and like different sort of transition shades that you can see. I'll play all of them for you guys right now. So now you see how pretty it looks. Though वो 5 meter का जो system है, I thought कि वो at least मेरे पूरे door को cover कर लेगा, but it did not cover my whole door. So you have to, अगर आपको पूरी ceiling या फिर कोई बड़ा area cover करना है, then you should get 2 to 3 strip lights, or you should get a 10 meter or a 15 meter at one go. But what I've seen on Amazon is that अगर आप 15 meter वाला लेते हो तो उसमें color changes नहीं हो रहे हैं. अगर आपको color changing वाला लेना है, then that's going to be really like in a higher cost one. So that is almost like 3,000 4,000. Next piece that I want to show you is going to be a showpiece, sort of a diya thingy. So it is a diya but very beautiful crystal sort of diya that you see over here. I absolutely adore this. Looks so pretty, like so cute. मैंने जैसे ही home decor लिखा for Diwali, ये सबसे पहली चीज आई, and I had nice. It is really beautiful. It comes in a pack of 4, so you have 4 pieces just like this in just 474 rupees. It's a very beautiful price because ये बहुत ज़्यादा pretty लग रहा है. दिवाली में you don't only need to have diyas, but you also need to have decorations. Let's again see a Diwali lighting over here. So this is going to be the star Diwali light. Arrangement, अभी तक मैंने इसको यूज़ नहीं किया है, लगाया नहीं है. So I'm going to show you right now, and then I'm going to put it for you guys, and you can easily see कि कितना pretty लगता है. I've actually used something very similar already before, and I love them. And actually I'm telling you कि इसकी quality उससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छी है जो इसके पहले मैंने यूज़ किया है. It comes in this star. There are 20 stars all together over here. These are the bigger stars, and then you have smaller size of stars. तो ऊपर से star ऐसे आते हैं. इतना ज़्यादा pretty लगता है. It's a very beautiful, like a warm white sort of color में ये shade है. And I got this from MobiQuick. It is sort of a LED lights. That one is 3 meters long actually, and this comes in very different shapes as well. You have the star shape, ये वाला, you have a different sort of star shape as well. You have a diya shape, you have a moon shape, so you can get anything you like. Diyas would definitely match the Diwali if you want to go for only Diwali look. I absolutely adore this. Lights are extremely good and quality बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है. You can already see. Next up in home decor is going to be this frames. This is the frame that you guys always ask me about. मतलब बहुत लोगों ने मुझे comment section में already पूछ चुके हैं इस frames के बारे में. भले ये दिवाली के लिए नहीं होगा, but they are absolutely really nice. You have a lot of options on them. So these are sort of minimalistic yet like really cute fashion sort of themed frames. These are 3 frames that you get for 459 rupees only. I think so अभी उसका price थोड़ा बढ़ चुका होगा, but nothing more than 500. And it's a very good wood material, like a very good wood वाला material. वो जो double sided tapes होता है ना, वो इसके पीछे लगा हुआ है, तो आपको just टेप हटाना है एंड यू हैव टू प्रेस इट एंड ये इजीली लग जाएगा एंड इट डजंट फॉलो फॉर एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड कॉल्ड Decodrama, and Decodrama itself does not have a lot of option in this wooden frames, but you have other brands which are giving you same wooden frames में बहुत सारे options, so you can go for this. But if you're going for something contemporary and fashion or minimalistic related, then you can go for this one. I will leave the link down below. So the next piece that I want to show you is going to be a beautiful sunset lamp, and this lamp is so famous on Instagram, on Reels, on TikTok, which we can't see. What I've got is in the shade rainbow, so this will give a rainbow wala effect. You have 4 variants of sunset, red sunset, sunrise and rainbow color. This stand comes from 599 rupees. That's what I got it for, and this one is 10 watts, the USB sort of thingy over here. तो कोई भी Android के चार्जर में आप इसको प्लग इन कर सकते हो, या तो फिर आप लैपटॉप में इसको प्लग इन कर सकते हो and all of that. कि इसमें यू कैन ओनली हैव 1 वेरिएंट, बट आपको अगर चारों वेरिएंट चाहिए एक सेम लैम्प में, देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर अ हायर प्राइस, दैट इज ऑलमोस्ट 999 रुपीज़ में आपको मिल जाएगा, जिसमें आपको एक रिमोट कंट्रोल मिलेगा एज सिमिलर to the one that you see for the LED strip light. So I'm going to show you something which is said to be like really auspicious and stuff like that, and definitely आपको नहीं तो आपकी मम्मी को पक्का पसंद आएगा ये. So this is going to be a tortoise, whatever you say, along with the plate. It is extremely heavy, okay? Tortoise with a plate, and the plate की detailing तो इतनी खूबसूरत है. Like the plate has very good cut and very good detailing. I love the plate more than the tortoise, honestly. So it looks extremely really cute, and this is said to be something really nice. So people love to keep this at home and all of that. So the measurement of this one is 13 centimeter. Like the measurement of the plate is 13 centimeters all side, and this one I got for rupees 470, a very good price. आपको इससे भी cheap rate में मिल जाएगा, almost 200-300 के रेंज में भी है, but they are going to be smaller in size. So this is a good regular medium sort of size. इससे भी छोटा अगर होगा, if you want to go for a smaller size, then it's completely. Also what you can do is you can add those crystal beads, those crystal balls inside this one, which will look so good. Don't try to add water and all of that because it stains this one. It looks really bad. इसकी quality खराब हो जाएगी. So I got this really pretty. Actually ये बहुत पहले मेरे पास आ चुका था. So I thought of including this right now. It is adorable, like a very beautiful, like a bright pink color. I got this one for 365 rupees. You can also get for a cheaper rate maybe, but इसकी finishing is very good. So there is a quality difference if you go for a cheaper one, but this one is for 365 and it's a very good color. Also I got a different color, that is a purple color that I'm already using over here. It is literally the same size and everything. It's about the purple one. So this is the purple one. Really soft, really nice, very good to keep it in your like sofas and everything. And you have every other color options, many color options are there. Few curtains, these are really simple curtains, but I absolutely love something which is very minimalistic. I know if you guys want to go for very different sort of designer, sort of different like more fancier option, then you can go for those as well, but I just wanted to show you because I got them recently for my house. This is going to be a fox silk sort of blackout curtains. These are absolute blackout curtains, and the quality of this one is incredibly thick. I was impressed with the quality. I got this one in the size 5 meter because this was for the windows that I got, and this one I got for 828 rupees. A very good price because its material is incredible. You would love the material. I got 2 pieces in 828 rupees. तो अगर आपको 4 pieces चाहिए तो you can pay for that. If you want 6 pieces you can take that also. और also उसमें height में भी आप variance कर सकते हो. You can take 5 meters, you can take 5 feet, you can take 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, 9. So इसमें सारे type के colors available है, and I absolutely love this. Gives a very beautiful silk top type of look. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was my very first home decor sort of haul, and I got a lot of lights because obviously Diwali है, तो मेरे को लगा कि यार let's include it. So yeah, that was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Tada, bye bye.